Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a game to Faceit in order to play it. Start by signing in or making an account on Faceit and installing its client and anti-cheat client. Then you will have to check in your integration settings to see if you connected Steam or the platform you want to play a game from. If you don't know how to do this, check my previous video in this playlist. If you connected the right platform, just press these three vertical dots again and choose Game Settings. As you can see, I already added CSGO 2, but if you click on Add Game, you can see all of the games you can connect Faceit to. Let's say I would like to add Call of Duty MW2 for the sake of this tutorial. Just click on it. Next, click on Connect Game. Sign in with your account ID, and you are ready to start playing. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.